do you operate? How do you operate a car wash? Today, and
Well,
like, how can you like kind of break it down? Like, how is that a cash flow producing asset?
well, it produces cash, just by nature. But what I'm doing with with the car wash is I'm taking it 100% digital. I did a lot of studying on this. Went to a couple car wash shows, talked to a lot of guys that's been in the business 20 plus years. And the thing I'm looking at is everybody does it the same way that they did it 40, 50 years ago. You got to go collect the quarters. You got buckets of quarters. You got to go collect the money. You got to hope you don't get robbed. And my thinking was, oh, and then you got the break-ins. People trying to break in, doing $10,000 worth of damage, trying to steal $300 worth of quarters. So my strategy is I'm taking the whole thing digital, memberships and credit card only. So I want memberships only. That's going to take some of the hands off of it. I got my uncle's a property manager. He's going to be working with the repair guy, making sure everything's running smooth and everything. And then I got an internal property management team that's going to be helping as well. But the thing about it is just changing up the old way of doing things,
Mhm.
So I mean that's how it's going to be, generating cash flow.
Yeah.
Weekly, it could bring anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a week.
Wow. Wow.